Hello, now I am going to demonstrate you how to configure Damis OPC Genie. In first video we have shown you how to access the reports on day-to-day basis. Now we are going to show you how to configure it within few minutes. All you have to do is drop this control into your graphics editor. It can be any SCADA which supports .NET Control. In this case it is WinCC. First time you will be asked for one time configuration of administration. This is administrator password. Then you will be asked for DA server. You can see network PC. I am selecting OPC server WinCC. Then you have to select HDA server. This can be any DA or HDA server. It's independent of SCADA. Only there are two requirements. It should support OPC interface and it should support .NET Control in Graphic Designer. Then for report generation, you can select the title. This will be the header of your report. You can select logo file. It can be any image. You can preview it here. You can increase the timeout here. I can put it, let's say 10. You can change master password if you want. Then you can configure user groups. I am adding new. In previous video I had shown you that there is a special authentication for this kind of reports, but this is the main reason why we provide special authentication. For example, I have considered petrochemical plant where there is a product of petrol and diesel, but you don't want to reveal octane value to engineer, so you can put this as a filter, so the user under engineer group will not be able to see any tag in historical and instantaneous data which contains octane as a part of string. Then you can add users, let's say eng1. I am adding operator group. To operator group you don't want to reveal octane value, plus you don't want to reveal viscosities value, so you can block both. You can add as many filters as you want. I am adding operator 1. Then you can add, let's say you want complete freedom, then there will not be any filter. I am adding manager 1. So now user group configuration is done. You can add products for reports. Let's say my plant can produce petrol in a batch and diesel in a batch. So there are two products. You can add sub batches, stages, as in petrol 1. We will come to it briefly. Why do we need this configuration? You can add stages in diesel also. Now I think we are done with the configuration. We have logo, we have header, we know our DA HDA server, we know our products, we know their stages, we know which are the users and what tags they can access. You can change them later on. So we are done with it. Now click OK to finish the configuration. I will just make it to occupy full screen. We are done with the configuration. Now we will start the runtime.